इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए मैं दावत देता हूं अब्दुल मुईज़ कि वो आए माइक पर इंग्लिश स्पीच सुनाएं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum. I start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and most beneficial, who gave us the power of speaking. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to shed light on two most important characters in our life, our mother and father. Dear audience, parents play a significant role in helping their children build and refine their knowledge and skill as well as their learning capabilities, beliefs, and goals and coping strategies. So, dear audience, these two important figures in our life deserve our most respect, devotion, and empathy. The greatest tribute to parents is by Allah Almighty at various places in the Quran. Allah Almighty has guided us how to behave with the parents, how to obey them, how to honor them. Quran emphasizes the significance of fulfilling the duties of towards parents, including respect, obedience, kindness, and prayers. Allah commands us in the Quran to deal kindly with the parents. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدَهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And your Lord has ordered you not worship except him and do good to parents. Whatever one or both of them reach old age with you, say not to them so much as oof, 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 and do not speak them, but speak to them a noble word. Allah Almighty has taught us a dua for parents. You can imagine the importance of parents. In the light of Allah has He ordered us to leave to them the wing of humility and say, Rabbirhamuma kama rabbayani savira. My Lord, have mercy upon, and they brought me up when I was small. Also Allah says, and you, parents, you shall be good. Also He says, and submit yourself before parents in the humility out of compassion. So we are commanded by Allah to respect and love our parents, honor their opinions, treat them with gentleness. These relationships are chosen by Allah for us, so we should dare to give and take as much as possible. If we are to guide them with the utter respect, because breaking the ties of kindship is a huge sin. May Allah guide us and bestow His favorites upon our parents. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.